Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm the owner of Imagine Wellness. Thank you for being here on my YouTube. I am so excited you're here. I want to ask you a question today. Do you feel fat? Do you feel fat in your body? If the answer is no, this might not be of value to you. If the answer is yes, I want you to stick around and listen for the next 2 minutes. My name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I'm the owner of Imagine Wellness, and I am a doctor, dietitian, coach, and I heal your relationship with food, body, weight, and eating. We all have a story with our body. And as women, I identify as a woman, I sometimes am not allowed to talk about my body. The conversation that you have with your body is sometimes silent because we are in society sometimes told to look a certain way, be a certain way, be a certain shape, but don't be too big, but don't be too thin, but don't say you want to be thin, say you want to be healthy. And there's a lot of dialogue lately about this in social media, in famous movies like Barbie, all of these different things. But at the end of the day, what matters is how you feel in your body. So if you feel fat, I want to ask you a second question. What does that feel like? Fat is not a feeling. It's a way to describe a feeling. But what actually does that mean for you? Is it uncomfortable? Is it scary? Is it disgusting? Is it comforting? Is it peaceful? What does that feeling feel like for you? And that feeling is going to be different based upon the thoughts or the stories that you have about the word fat, and then beliefs that you have about that. And that's where I like to go. I really like to look at the thought patterns that you have in your head that you don't know that are there. And then the beliefs that you have really in your body that were told to you in your family of origin. This is really sensitive work. So when you have the thought of, ugh, I feel so fat, or, oh, I feel so fat, be curious and kind and compassionate about what is actually going on. Because there is something there. And if it's causing distress, if that thought is causing distress, there are ways to shift where you can feel better. There is a way to feel better in your body without changing your body. And changing your body is not a bad thing. We have autonomy in our body. You can do what you want. You have the ability to control. And sometimes that's a really hard thought to think if you haven't had control for a really long time. My name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and if you want to have a conversation about this, I would love to. If not, maybe make a comment on how feeling fat in your body makes you feel and put a description down below. Subscribe if this was helpful. Follow along for more. Thank you. Bye.